here's my deadbolt actuator I've been working on a while. It has an Arduino inside and a servo and a 2-color LED and a momentary push button and a magnetic reed switch to detect when the doors open and close. The momentary push button is to actuate the door deadbolt, locked or unlocked. Alright, here it says right here, deadbolt actuator V1, Sam Williams. This is a 3D printed box. Before I had it in a project box I got from Skycraft. This is still a beta. That's why there's Velcro holding it on, because I'm still debugging. In case I do get locked out, I can use my key and it'll break away instead of breaking the servo gears. So the door reed switch, the deadbolt will only actuate when the door is closed. It's open, so their switch is not closed. See that? Now when I close it, the door is locked. Now I unlock it. It actually looks very good in the dark. Let's see what we get here. Alright, so there it is, unlocked. Let's lock it up. Very slick. Now I just need to integrate it with the rest of my automation, and it'll be good to go after a good bit of debugging.